How is it going, guys? We are back with another episode of Off the Shelf, and we have another Galaxy version, set 8, one shelf fall figure. And we're going to pop this guy open, and we're going to build it. Because the last couple of ones, that's how we've been doing it, and I kind of like doing it that way. Yeah, I think it's, I don't know, more fun for me. And don't have to as many videos. So we're gonna pop this one open. This is the last video that I would post as an unboxing and building. And we have gotten Sludge, we got him and built him. Unicron Head, we got him and built him. We've gotten Sludge, we've gotten the Sharkticon, we've gotten Blitzwing, Optimus, Hot Rod, and Metroplex. This one should be Shrapnel. It should be a Shrapnel. I'd be surprised if it wasn't. And it is. Oh man. We got Shrapnel. So guess what we're going to do? We'll put that sucker together. We're just going crazy these days. Not organized. We're just putting shit together. We are just putting shit together. Let's put that in his foot right now. I haven't even looked at directions. I'm going to put that right in his foot. Let's put this together. Oh, look at that. Bam. We're gonna put that foot together. And there, look at that. We're going nuts. We're going nuts. It looks like we're going to have a similar build to our other one that we had, and it looks like all of these are going to get the new hip style, which is freaking awesome. I am in love with this new hip style. It looks great. It seems to function exceptionally well. And I think even, I haven't really explored it too much, but oh, it doesn't drop. That'd be cool if it dropped. But yeah, that is really cool. So that means that we're going to grab this guy and this guy and put them like that. And then, because these are not side specific, so we got that. Wow. That's really cool. I love the new hip style. These Blokees figures keep getting better and better. I wonder what prompted the new hips over the old style. That'd be some reason someone was like, oh, we should try this because this would make these even cooler. And it gives you a double jointed knee, which is pretty freaking neat too, because double jointed knee. Are they gearing up to try and make a Blokees that transforms? Because that'd be pretty cool. That would be very cool. Like, exceptionally cool. Is that on the right? No, it's not. If you look closely right here, it is orientated to go a certain way. But, wow. And, I mean, you cannot argue with the improvements. Like, this new hip style is just fantastic. I can't get over it. I am going to consult the directions. Let's pull those out. Because some of the body is a little bit new. Okay, so I have to build a little bombshell. Okay, that's kind of cool. Okay. So the upper body is going to be very similar to the old ones, but now you get these new neck joints, which is very cool. And then this goes on the front, I believe. Yeah, if you orientate the shoulder piece correctly. Then it will go on correctly. And then you put the back on. Oh, okay. I hope I... Oh, no, I didn't. I didn't. Okay. This is where I messed up. Getting overzealous, not looking at the directions. You are... Talia, please. You are supposed to... Talia! Put these on. They go on... I really don't show you a good picture. I believe they go on like this. Yeah, pretty sure. And it looks like you can put them on even after you put the chest piece on. They do snap in place. I was a little worried that they didn't. So that's pretty cool. And we'll put this part in because have this chest piece be complete. And that's nice. And we'll put that together. And then we'll grab the hands. Because we're going to throw these together. The arms are still pretty, you know, they're the same. They didn't change much on that, which is perfectly fine. I mean, the arm I've never really had an issue with the arms on these guys. Myself. Very purple on the arms, I will say. They are very purple. Yeah, there go the dogs. Again. Because why wouldn't they? And we're almost done anyway. I'm trying not to make this video super long. But we gotta get that head together. So, looking like we get these. Yep, and then bam. And then this goes in there like that. I would say, yep, boom. And then we put the back of the head on and squish it all together, and there we go. We have a nice... I love how detailed the head sculpts on these are. Yeah, like, Blokees really, like, they are a strong company for being so obscure, at least on my radar for so long. They're solid. Like, they are really, really great. You know, they come with all kinds of extra bits and stuff that are wicked cool. Yeah, and they're detailed, articulate. Like, and there, bam, there's a little bug. What's his name again? Bombshell. A little bombshell bug. And boom, there we go. Look at that. Pretty cool. What I didn't get with this one? A base plate. Huh. Weird. That's alright. It's pretty cool. I like it. I really like these Blokees. This new set, pretty pretty sweet, not gonna lie. It is pretty sweet. But yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Like, share, subscribe, help support the channel. I appreciate it, you know. And, you know, most importantly, guys, have a great day.